Hello class! Today we are going to review the spelling and phonics pattern NK, UNK. Let's take a look at some of the different ways we can use UNK or NK. We could add an A, and that would make the sound ANK. Or we could add an I, INK. Or an O would say ONK. Adding a U to the beginning would make the sound UNK. ANK, INK, ONK, and UNK. Let's take a closer look. ANK in the word bank, A-N-K. INK in pink, I-N-K. ONK in honk, O-N-K. And UNK in trunk, U-N-K. Well, let's take a closer look at all of these spelling patterns. The first one is ANK in bank. When we add A to the NK, it makes the sound ANK. Let's read some ANK words together. Tank, sank, blank, drank, prank, and thank. A-N-K says ANK in bank. What about ink in pink? I-N-K makes the ink sound. Let's read some ink words together. Rink, sink, blink, drink, link, and think. I-N-K says ink in pink. What about ONK in honk? O-N-K. When we add an O to the NK, it makes the ONK sound. Let's read some ONK words together. Honk, honks, honking, bonk, clonk. UNK in trunk, U-N-K. When we add U to the NK, it makes the UNK sound. Let's read some UNK words together. Bunk, dunk, junk, sunk, skunk, flunk. UNK in trunk, U-N-K. Today we looked at some easy spelling patterns for NK or UNK. We learned that we could add A, I, O, or U to UNK to make different sounds. Well done for listening and paying attention today. I'm so glad that you were studying with me. Have a wonderful day, class. Bye-bye!